Does this same debugger error message pop up when you try to launch certain software in Windows 11 or 10? If it does, you may be able to fix that issue with this guide. So first up, deselect the debug checkbox in msconfig. To do it, open Run, type in msconfig, then press Enter. Once open, select Boot tab, click Advanced Options, deselect the debug checkbox if it is selected, select OK, click the MS Configuration Supply, then restart your Windows. Now another possible fix is to update your Windows. Do it by opening Settings, click Check for Updates to find any available updates, and select the Download and Install option for any available Windows version update. Last on the list, consider reinstalling software packages for if alternative solutions don't resolve the problem. So you can do it by opening Run, type in the following, then press Enter. Now you have to select a software package to remove, then click Uninstall option. And those are the following fixes for this error message in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.